Meet the Realme Neo 7 Turbo, a game-changing device that combines raw power, sleek design, and futuristic features to set a new benchmark for upper mid-range smartphones in 2025. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a content creator, or a power user looking for an all-in-one beast, this phone is engineered to exceed expectations. Let's begin with the display, the first thing you'll notice and absolutely admire. The Neo 7 Turbo comes equipped with a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel, offering a 1.5K resolution that delivers sharper visuals and crisper detail than standard FHD+ displays. It's paired with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling, seamless animations, and an immersive experience whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just navigating through the UI. The AMOLED technology ensures rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent outdoor visibility. This is a display that truly pops. Under the hood, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset, MediaTek's latest flagship processor built on TSMC's advanced 4nm process. This powerhouse features a 3.4 GHz Cortex-X4 Prime core, designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. From console-level mobile gaming to 4K video editing, you'll experience virtually zero lag or slowdowns. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the device delivers blazing fast app launches, rapid multitasking, and smooth data transfers, everything a performance enthusiast could ask for. On the camera front, the Neo 7 Turbo doesn't hold back. It features a 50MP Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp, steady shots even in low light, or while in motion. Complementing the main sensor is an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, ideal for group shots, landscapes, and creative perspectives. And for the first time in the Neo lineup, Realme introduces a 50MP telephoto lens, allowing for high-detail zoom photography that rivals flagship-tier devices. From portraits to pro-level shots, the Neo 7 Turbo redefines what a camera phone can be in this segment. Powering all of this is an enormous 7,200 mAh battery, a standout feature that ensures multiple days of usage for the average user. And when it's time to recharge, the 100W fast charging system gets you from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, eliminating battery anxiety entirely. This combo of endurance and speed is a major win for mobile gamers, travelers, and content creators alike. Aesthetically, the Neo 7 Turbo brings something fresh and unique. It features a semi-transparent back panel design inspired by the Nothing Phone series, available in transparent black and transparent gray. It offers a glimpse into the internal hardware, giving the device a futuristic, industrial vibe that turns heads everywhere you go. Despite the large battery and powerful internals, Realme has managed to keep the design sleek, lightweight, and pocket-friendly. On the software side, the device runs the latest Android 15, led with Realme UI 6, offering a clean, feature-rich experience. With improved animations, privacy controls, and UI responsiveness, this version of Realme UI feels more polished and fluid than ever before. Additional features add even more value to the package. You get dual stereo speakers for immersive audio, NFC support for contactless payments and quick pairing, and advanced cooling mechanisms to keep performance steady even during intense gaming sessions. The phone also supports all the latest connectivity standards, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring you're always connected at top speeds. In conclusion, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is not just another mid-range phone, it's a flagship challenger that checks all the right boxes. A gorgeous display, a powerhouse processor, a versatile camera setup, long battery life, and a striking transparent design all make it a perfect choice for users who want style and performance without compromise. If you're looking for one of the best all-rounders of 2025 at a competitive price, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is a clear winner.